individuals learn and protect their own systems, fostering a safer digital environment. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we dive into the fascinating world of Kali Linux, one of the most powerful and versatile operating systems for cybersecurity professionals and tech enthusiasts. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what Kali Linux is, why it's so popular, and the key scenarios where it's used. Let's get started. What is Kali Linux? Kali Linux is a Debian-based open-source operating system designed for penetration testing, ethical hacking, and digital forensics. Developed by Offensive Security, Kali Linux provides a wide range of tools to analyze, test, and secure networks and systems. It's lightweight, customizable, and specifically tailored for cybersecurity professionals, but it can also be a valuable learning tool for anyone interested in security. Why Kali Linux? Kali Linux is preferred because it comes preloaded with over 600 penetration testing tools. These include network analyzers, vulnerability scanners, password cracking tools, and wireless network testing tools. What's more, Kali Linux supports various platforms, including desktops, virtual machines, and even mobile devices, making it accessible anywhere. Key uses of Kali Linux. Let's explore some of the situations where Kali Linux truly shines. 1. Penetration testing. Penetration testing, or ethical hacking, involves simulating cyber attacks on systems to identify vulnerabilities before malicious hackers exploit them. With tools like Metasploit, Nmap, and Burp suite, Kali Linux allows cybersecurity experts to test the strength of their defenses, helping organizations build more secure infrastructures. 2. Network security audits. Kali Linux is widely used to audit the security of networks. Tools like Wireshark, air cracking, and Kismet help identify weak points in wireless networks and ensure your systems are protected against unauthorized access. 3. Password cracking. Recovering lost passwords or testing the strength of existing ones is another common use case. Tools like John the Ripper and Hashcat in Kali Linux make this process faster and more efficient, ensuring passwords meet security standards. 4. Digital forensics. In digital forensics, Kali Linux is used to analyze compromised systems and recover data after a cyber attack. Tools like Autopsy and SleuthKit help investigators dig deep into systems to uncover clues, trace attacks, and recover lost files. 5. Vulnerability assessments. Kali Linux provides powerful scanners like Nessus and OpenVAS to assess vulnerabilities in applications and systems. These tools help organizations detect and fix security issues before they can be exploited. 6. Web application testing. Web applications are frequent targets of cyber attacks. Tools like OWASP-ZAP and SQLmap allow ethical hackers to test for vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and other threats. 7. Learning and skill development. Kali Linux isn't just for professionals, it's also a fantastic platform for beginners to learn about cybersecurity. With so many built-in tools, anyone can practice and develop their skills in ethical hacking, networking, and digital forensics. 8. Customized security environments. Kali Linux allows users to create customized environments tailored to specific tasks. Whether you're working on malware analysis, reverse engineering, or secure coding, you can tweak Kali to suit your needs. Things to note before using Kali Linux. For ethical purposes only, always use Kali Linux for ethical purposes. Unauthorized use of its tools can lead to legal consequences. Technical expertise needed. Kali Linux is not a beginner-friendly OS. It's built for those with knowledge in Linux commands, networking, and cybersecurity. Run in a safe environment. Always test in a controlled environment, such as virtual machines or isolated networks, to avoid accidental damage to systems. Kali Linux is more than just an operating system, it's a powerful toolkit for securing the digital world. From penetration testing to digital forensics, its versatility makes it an essential tool for cybersecurity professionals and learners alike. If you're passionate about cybersecurity, Kali Linux is a great way to deepen your knowledge and practice your skills. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with more tech and cybersecurity content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Disclaimer: the content in this video is intended solely for educational purposes.